Hey friends, my leaking fridge did this to my floor. Let's fix it. Alright, this is what we got going on here. This is our SMEG refrigerator. It has a little ice box and condensation forms and then it drips. And it's supposed to drip into an evaporation tray, but because our floors are uneven, it drips out the front. Over time, it's ruined our hardwood floors. Okay, I've already moved the damaged floorboard, but I found some additional problems with the subfloor. First of all, this floorboard is just hanging in space. And this is rotten and hanging in space, so I'm going to need to support the floor with some new subfloor. As far as the icebox, what I'm going to do is clean up the rest of these shelves and see if I can do anything about the icebox. Before I get to that, I'm going to clean up the floor here. Alright, I got this sticky grease here between where the refrigerator usually is and the stove.
Something like that.
An oscillating tool is an absolute must for this kind of work, but the 18-volt Milwaukee oscillating tool that I'm using here is a bit underpowered. It took me a long time to get through each board, and one battery wouldn't even do it. Also, they make the worst sound in the world. This kind of work is really quite backbreaking. It's uncomfortable and tedious as hell. I see dead people. Let's get this blocking in there.
Come on, talk to me, Goose.
Now it's finally time to get the floorboards cut to length. I found this old growth fir siding. I'm going to use this as the subfloor. Alright, before I nail down the floor, I'm just going to clean between the wall and the oven. Oh! Okay, that's where that ground beef went. Alright, I'm just going to put a little paint on that wall, clean it up a little bit. Okay, that job's done. I'm going to put a stop block before the gas line, and I've got a scrap of walnut that I can just kind of screw down to the floor here. Now that's not going anywhere. Oh yeah. Alright, I'm just getting this thing level now. Well, I did it. I took this damaged water-soaked wood and replaced it with salvaged maple flooring. And I made it so that you can't even tell that anything happened. It's almost like nothing ever happened. It didn't even seem like anything happened. Can't even tell that anything happened? Does it really even matter? I think it does. Thanks for tuning in, and we will see you on the next video.